Hi, I'm Adam O'Connor. Welcome to Midwest Panel Builders and welcome to 2022. 2021's been a great year for us, and one thing that we've really been doing is paying attention to our video statistics on YouTube and Facebook to see what you guys really liked. One thing's for sure, our GTN versus GNX video by far was our most popular, and so what that tells us is that you guys love watching our avionics videos and seeing how the equipment works. We've got an excellent testing bench over here that sees all different configurations of avionics, from single screen to double screen to GTN and GNX and just sometimes plain VFR systems. So if you have a use case that you'd like tested to see exactly what would happen or how to do something, we can more than likely do it here, and that's the type of content that we strive to deliver this year. Another video you guys liked and one that we had a lot of fun making was our Meet the Team video. So we're going to try to do some more of those fun, a little more lighthearted videos as well. Interestingly, that video just came out last month, and already we have some new faces here. So we've got Molly, our new security officer, joining Piper as head of security around here. So you'll be seeing more of her, I'm sure, on our YouTube channel and Facebook page soon. So what we want for you guys to do is to give us content suggestions. Like I said, we've got a great bench back there that we can test most of this on. We also have the capability of doing in-flight demonstrations of certain things. So if you want to know how to do something, tell us so that we can help you be successful in using the avionics in your aircraft. If you're not a customer of ours already, now's a good time to become one. Whether you're just buying parts from us or whether you're getting a full harness through us, that gets you access to that Facebook page. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you guys soon.